Sanibona, good morning. Ngisanda kuvuka and I'm thinking, so last time I remember there was a video where I spoke about ngahamba ngayothwasa ugobela that I liked and I still like. So ngathwasa khona. I was supposed to stay there for like 3 months. And during that time, I wasn't going to work. I stay away from work without any notice. Okay, so I ended up paying back that money that they were giving me all that 3 months. And it was a lot of money, because they were counting even weekends, I think. I don't know. And I don't care. So I was supposed to stay there for 3 months, but I did stay, but I'm right? But I also used to go home every weekend. I'd go home, and when I'm at home, I'll dream of garments, spiritual garments, and my ancestors will come and give me a message. And when I go back there, I'll just let her know it's okay. This is what happened. They told me 1, 2, and 3, and would do it. And why Singapore? Because I was not the only one who hlala khona. Masila party. If you say Makasi Poop, and they will tell us it's okay. Since you are in training, your ancestors are also in training. Okay, they are not in training. All right, fine, sure. And then ngahamba sasibuya olwandle. I don't know if I told you, but there was this day kwakuzoyiwa olwandle, and kuzofika nje wonke umuntu, like even people who are not on the training, like clients. So there were many of us. We went to the ocean. Wonke umuntu had impepho yakhe and candles. So that morning masiqhamuka olwandle, so long ngazalwa nje, I've never seen ulwandle lenza leyadi lalenza that day. It was something you'd see on TV. Yay, laliphakeme ngale ndlela ngaze ngiyibona. I was like, what is happening? Ankazi ulwandle sinalo ngasekhaya, but also ngangiqala ukuya kulula lwandle first time, because besilwe siye empophomeni, but that morning leya nto yayenziwa ulwandle. And then Gogo called me, wathi where's Mia? Baba ngibizwa ngoMia because it's my mother's surname. Oza Mia, uzongisiza sohlisa ulwandle yabo. So yes, ngakho. At first I was confused. Mina sahamba ke sohlisa ulwandle ke, and silikhuleke la silincenga ukuthi alehle. And then sema sesibuyele ekhaya, sengijika ulwandle, sengiphethe, like literally when my body turned, I turned my back from ulwandle going home, sengaphenduka. Something said to me, okugcina wena ula siyahamba manje. Ha, singagoduka. Yangibelesela into yathi siyahamba manje. Kasi mangifika angangizange ngihlale lapha yami. Ngihamba nje ngumuntu ogodukayo, and I was so excited. So, and then ingqikithi yalento is for me to say that babengishwabulela bethi buya blah blah blah, uzokuhlelela into ezimbi. But into engifuna ukisho namhlanje ukuthi my graduation happened the day they graduated. I also graduated. I'm telling you, the day of the graduation, babe graduate abone ekuseni ngabo 4, mina nami ekuseni ngabo 7 kuya ku 9. I wasn't sleeping. The door of my bedroom was opened, but I was awake. I was lying on the bed. I was seeing my family sitting, like TV. But I'm not here with them. I'm outside. I'm traveling, astral traveling or astral projecting. ngiyahamba ngiye endaweni la ekumele ngiye khona with my ancestors. I'm doing things that I'm supposed to be doing for this graduation. I remember it was a dream. I was traveling. Like, and that's why I'm saying this was a graduation, because I was shown things. Things that you are graduating. This is where your treasure is. This is where your things are. I asked for things. They gave me things, but this is where you are going to get your things. Sadly, I can't say who's going to align, but I really want to say, because at the end of the day, I'm there's something special about me. Okay, let me give you like one dream. For example, I asked ugogo ukuthi okay gogo about behleli le ndawo enhle nje, like yabo iGarden of Eden. When you think of it in your mind, it was like that, and in between there's a dam or whatever. And then ngicela ukuthi gogo ngicela uningiphi 1 no 2 no 3. Gogo take this huge basket anginike wona, and then angiphushele into this dam. But before angiphushele into this dam was rotating like this, spinner ingena ishona phansi, angiphushele khona, and I went lapho nalo basket. What does that mean? Your things are in the water. It could be the oceans, the dam. Yeah, but whenever you need something, this is where you go. Remember, I had said that when Intusa came, my things were being taken out of the ocean by Intusa in human form. So, yeah, understand. So, anything for you shooting. Don't complicate your dreams, your life, and be like, okay, because I'm self-initiating in a certain way. Abantu sometimes when they explain izinto, they make it sound serious and scary. It is not. The dreams that you are having every day, just be able to explain them yourself. It means I'm going to graduate. Why? Because you listen to your intuition, Tina. We are highly intuitive. Isn't just wherever. What we think it is. Yabo. Whatever you think iyona. That's what they used to tell us in Twasun. And mina shame, I was the black sheep of Leandras. Because ngiyakhumbula kwangena omunye umuntu wangena egqoka isigqoko kwathiwa at that time ukhumula isigqoko kwathiwa kushuthini lokhu nalokhu. Kwasebo mina isigqoko lesi senza ukuthi ihluthu sakhe sibe no cross. But like no, I'm saying things as they are. Doesn't matter what I think at the back of my mind, because yes, I had things I thought, but it's obvious. Isigqoko esidale le cross because unehluthu sakashembe. Mefaka isigqoko sasino cross la yabo isigqoko masithungiwe sisikanje kasimo isigqoko. Like I was the black sheep. I was so in doubt of my intuition. But when I was alone with those clients, then I trusted my intuition. But manginomuntu, I would doubt myself. Okay, going back here, the only way into Sebenza if you trust your intuition. Remember, God said, have faith. The little faith that you have of a mustard seed will move a mountain. That's why yonke lento esikuyona umoya usebenza ngefaith. Without faith, this is you can't do nothing. Yebo. So, ending from where I'm gonna back ukuthi entwasweni nga graduate. Ngaphothula mos. From lesson to lesson, I phothula. I didn't slaughter nothing. I'm not saying slaughtering is bad, like because I've slaughtered before, but I'm saying angizange ngiphothule nabo, angizange graduate na, ngagraduate ngilele embhedeni. Do you understand? And kwenza into engiqala ukuzibona extra project angiphume in my body, kodwa very aware ukuthi I'm here but I'm there. And also having visions into, because ngaqoqoqoqa ngaveza ama visions, ngihleli ngibhekile ngaveza ama visions, hayibo kwasakhalani kongihleli nje ngaveza ama visions of, like imagine ngihleli I'm lying down like this and ngiyayibona ama visions idlula, hayibo ngiphakathi kulama visions, hayibo. and ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma in the vision kumina ngibe like okay ngicane ngikhombisa 1 2 and 3 manje yabo mhlambe yabona, do you understand? Because I'm also testing this thing. Ngiyazi ukubona ama-visions, ngiyakwazi lucid dreamer, because lucid dreaming is like you are in the dream. I go to astral projector where you go undize uhambe uye lapho mhlawumbe ungene kumuzi ufike ulungisa isimo kanjalo kanjalo, because I'm doing that. Ngiyakwazi ukuhamba la mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi ngizoya in ancient times or during these times, or ngifike ngipholisa isimo lapho sibe ngcono, or if there's people like in my past life I need to apologize because ngizoqala ngaleyo ngifike apologize and whatever. But let me explain ukuthi ama-visions yini. Ama-visions useba uhleli uyakwazi ukubona i-green, something that are happening kuma-screens yabo. Mina lento sometimes uma ngithi ngiyalala, visions will come. It's okay. And I enjoy it so much. Every time mangilala, I know I'm supposed to see visions. Whether it's of things I know or I don't know. I think sometimes it won't come because your thing is active. You are on the right path. Your energy, you are taking care of it. So I know when I'm not taking care of my energy, like anxiety izinto kahle, mhlambe i-green zami will not come those times. So ama-visions awukwazi ukuwa-control. Ama-visions kuyazenzakalela okwenzakalayo, you just watching. Ayihambele futhi miyihambele yabo. And immediately mihamba, they take turns uzongena lesi umqondo wakho ubuye ukuthi hawu okay sihambile, you come back to, you understand, normalcy. And this sifike sesibili kanjalo kumina ngizinikeza i-break ukuthi awulele ubhekile nje kahle ngiyakubona. Just that it takes over your mind, your control. It controls ukuthi ila manje ubuke kuphela kungena okunye awukwazi uyi-control. And then there's lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming, it's a dream. Now the only person you can control is yourself. Awukwazi ucontrol into eyenzayo ku-lucid dream yabo. Wena uyaphupha and you are aware, uyazi ukuthi uyaphupha usephupheni, you understand? You can go through timelines and timelines ukuthi mhlawumbe usuke kulesimo ungene kulesimo uyazi ukuthi uyaphupha, and you know ukuthi you can wake up anytime when you want to wake up because you are in control. Musukhathela eyazini ngiyahamba manje angisayimeli ngiyavuka hey kuyashuba manje la angisafuna ukubala. You have the choice with a lucid dream. So I had so many lucid dreams I wanna share. Okay, so let me think. I once had lucid dreams. I love them so much because of the choice thing. Like imagine uphupha usempini and there was lempi is gonna destroy you. You can say yay cut you bloody like. Okay, moving forward, there's astral projection. Astral projection, it's not a dream. It's where your soul, you leave your body. But nakhona, you don't just do it in a way like you are away. Let's say we are getting bitten. For me, we are getting bitten. Oh no, I'm getting bed, but you are just in bed because I wasn't again. No, sure. Hey, I've once astral projected. Guys, I was seated like this. Let me show you. Astral projector. I'm having my earphones here. Gilalele. And then kwaqala ile ngiqale ngayichaza kwaqala ivision yathi engabuka madoda hey kula iyangithatha lento yabo iyangithatha ngikhombisa izithombe sisukele isithombe